Hi everyone, this video is for people who are interested in AI related job opportunities. The company's name is Outlier and here you will be working as AI writing evaluator and trainer. This opportunity is for India and this is a fully remote opportunity, so you can work from home or anywhere. So the company's name is Outlier. Here's the company's website and you might have heard about this company. The company is into AI training and to AI development and training. And this is the company's website. You can check out the website. And Outlier helps the world's most innovative companies improve their AI models by improving human feedback. In this job, you're required to have fluent English language skill, that is C1 level or higher, to help train generative AI models. And here the pay rates are $7.5 per hour in India. And this is a part-time flexible opportunity where you can work from home or anywhere. Now let's check out about the opportunity. Here the job position is AI writing evaluator and trainer, which is for English C1 plus. And Outlier is looking for talented writers with fluency in English at C1 level or higher to help train generative AI models. This reading and writing intensive freelance opportunity is remote and the hours are flexible, so you can work whenever is best for you. So you can choose your own working hours, you can create your own schedule. You may start this opportunity along with your full-time role because this is a part-time and flexible opportunity. So it is up to you. You can start this opportunity to supplement your current income. This opportunity is for people living in India. Now here you will be reading text in order to rank a series of responses that were produced by an AI model and writing and rewriting prompts and responses which may involve research and fact checking. You need to assess the factuality and relevance of text produced by AI models. These are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect while working with Outlier as an AI evaluator and a trainer. Here are the skills and expertise that the company is looking for. So they are looking for someone with experience as a professional writer or editor. You can also be currently enrolled in or completed an associate degree or higher in a writing related discipline at an accredited institution. So they are mainly looking for someone with a writing or editing kind of job experience. A strong sense of writing style paired with exceptional English language spelling and grammar as well as logic and reasoning skills. Attention to detail and the ability to explain clearly the strengths and weaknesses of a given piece of text. So you will be evaluating the text written by AI and you need to write and rewrite the AI related prompts and responses. Now here's about the payment. Currently pay rates for core project work by writing experts English writing experts in India is around $7.5 per hour. And the pay rates vary depending on the expertise, skills, assessment, location, and project need, and some other factors. So these are the estimated pay rate that you can expect. And depending on your skills and experience and the project that you would be working upon, the pay rate may vary. And for example, higher rates may be offered to PhDs for non-core work such as during initial project onboarding or project overtime phases. Lower rates may apply. And certain projects offer incentive payments. Please review the payment terms for each project. So for each project, the payment terms and the pay rate may vary. So this you can check out the. You will be notified. You will be notified by the company before starting the project. So if you think that you are a good fit for AI writing evaluator and in trainer job with Outlier, you can check out the details and here's the application that you can fill. So you can fill up the application by providing your name, email ID, phone number, and you can attach your resume here and then attach your cover letter and you can provide your educational information and then provide your LinkedIn profiles link. You need to be based in India. And have you taken the TOEFL or IELTS exam? So these are exams related to English language skills. So you can provide here if you have already taken any of these exams. If you already have taken these exams, you can provide the information or you can attach the documents here and then submit the application. So based on the availability of the projects, you will be notifying if you get selected. If your profile gets selected based on the availability of the projects, you will be notified by the company through your email ID related to the. So once you get hired, you will once you get hired or your profile gets selected, you will be notified by the company regarding the upcoming projects, and you can either choose or refuse. You can either choose or refuse to work on those projects. So it is up to you because this is a flexible opportunity. Here is a Glassdoor review. So Outlier has got, so it has an employee rating of 3 out of 5 stars based on 230 company reviews on Glassdoor. So this means that most employees have an average working experience there. So you can check out the opportunity. So yeah, if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and check out the role. Check out all the details before you apply. And thank you for listening.